Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. When does your body truly need to be healthy? Is it only when you're sick, or is there more to the story? Most people wait until they feel pain, stress, or disease before caring for their health. But by then, your body has already been sending signals for months or even years. Stay with me until the end, because I'll share the one stage in life when your health choices matter the most, and one simple daily habit that protects your body better than supplements. The body works non-stop. Heart beats 100,000 times a day, lungs take 20,000 breaths, and cells repair every second. Your body always needs health, not just when problems show up. Poor diet, lack of sleep, or high stress silently weaken immunity and hormones before symptoms appear. This is when bones, brain, and immunity develop fastest. Without proper nutrition, children risk lifelong weak metabolism and lower immunity. Kids need protein, healthy fats, vitamin D, and minerals for growth and brain development. During exams, career pressure, parenting, or emotional stress, cortisol spikes. Stress hormones drain energy, slow metabolism, and weaken immunity. Managing health during stress prevents burnout and long-term conditions like high blood pressure. If this is helpful, make sure you keep watching, because in just a moment I'll share when your health matters most and the one food that keeps your body in balance. Quick CTA, like, subscribe, but keep it short. When you're recovering, your body demands extra protein, antioxidants, and rest. Wounds heal faster with vitamin C, zinc, and hydration. Poor lifestyle delays recovery and increases complications. Pregnancy requires extra nutrients for both mom and baby. Menopause and aging need calcium, vitamin D, and muscle-preserving protein. Each stage has unique demands, but health preparation starts years earlier. By age 60, most people lose 75% of collagen, 30% of muscle, and bone density drops. In blue zones, Japan, Greece, elders live past 100 because they maintain daily habits, simple food, walking, social connections. Longevity is built decades before old age. The most important time is right now. Every healthy choice today, hydration, whole foods, walking, sleep, reduces tomorrow's risk of disease. Oats, fiber-rich, heart protective, balances blood sugar, supports gut health. Your body always needs health, during growth, stress, illness, life transitions, and aging. Every choice today builds tomorrow's resilience. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, because your healthiest years can start today.